Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Delta State House of Assembly has passed the state's 2024 budget after 2 weeks of accelerated consideration by the legislators to allow for a January to December budget cycle in the state. The initial 714 billion naira budget estimate presented by Governor Sheriff Oborevwori was increased to 724.9 billion naira by the legislators to meet current economic realities in delivering government plans, policies and programs across the state. Our correspondent, Timcat Nambol, reports that the appropriation bill got the nod of the state legislators after a careful review of the report of the House Committee on Finance and Appropriation.
The Delta State House of Assembly has approved the state's 2024 budget Governor Sheriff Oborevwori presented 3 weeks ago after an accelerated consideration by the legislators to allow the governor and his team start the implementation of the administration's plans, policies and programs in January 2024. The initial 714 billion naira budget estimate was increased to 724.9 billion naira by the legislators to meet with current economic realities. Meanwhile, Governor Oborevwori, who received renowned Nigerian musician David Adeleke, popularly known as Davido, recently said the state is safe for investors in the entertainment industry.
Delta State is peaceful, and I want to assure all those who are coming that here is safe. At any time.
The Nigerian entertainment industry is reported to have generated a revenue of about $7.7 billion in 2022 and a projected $8.6 billion in 2023. Governor Oborevwori, while he was the Speaker of the State House of Assembly, played a critical role in the passage of the Creative Industry Development Bill that established the Creative Industry Development Fund, which encourages creative entrepreneurs and workers in the state. Governor Oborevwori was also pivotal in the construction of a world-class film village and leisure park in Asaba that has put the state on a front footing in leveraging the abundant opportunities the entertainment industry provides for its teeming young population. Davido, while describing Delta State as a force to reckon with in the entertainment industry, said he was in the state in solidarity with Deltans who have always supported him since the beginning of his career.
I performed there, since the beginning of my career, everywhere. Warri, Asaba, so Delta is like a second home to me, what I'm saying.
Anti-development issues in Delta State. Some residents of Warri, the commercial nerve center of the state, have hailed Governor Sheriff Oborevwori for his consistent efforts in giving the city an improved outlook as well as improving the fortunes of its residents. This follows the recent installation of solar-powered streetlights on major streets around the oil city by the state government. Inside the Niger Delta confirmed that some sections of the city is already glittering at night, while work is ongoing at several other locations. Some traders who spoke to our crew were impressed with the recent development.
The place was very dark and very boring, not busy at all. I normally close 7 o'clock, but now I close 10 o'clock.
Since we got this street light, we extended our time. We can stay much longer.
A resident who hailed the governor for what he described as his deliberate effort at improving the fortunes of residents of Warri and its environs called on Deltans to give the governor all the support he needs to move the state forward.
I want all Deltans to please work with His Excellency, the bridge builder and the light provider of Delta State.
Warri is home to Nigeria's second refinery and a leading hub in the oil and gas industry in its heydays, bustling with life round the clock. But its thriving economy would witness a steep decline with the communal clashes and the armed conflict in the Niger Delta region that greeted Nigeria's return to civil rule in 1999, leading to the exit of oil multinationals from the city. Despite the return of peace and calm in recent times, economic recovery has been rather slow. A narrative Governor Oborevwori is changing as he gives the oil city an improved outlook in fulfillment of the promise he made in his inaugural speech.
Inside the Niger Delta,